Larimar, the blue stone of Atlantis, represents peace and clarity, meaning, origin, and color. Larimar is derived from Larissa combined with Mar. Found is in the Dominican Republic in Los Chisos. Available in green and multicolored form, but blue Larimar is extremely popular. It is believed that Larimar has metaphysical powers that help in healing emotional and spiritual problems. Chakra healing, throat chakra, birthstone, August, zodiac sign, Leo. Healing properties, physically, opens the acupuncture points, treats throat conditions, cures high blood pressure and infection. Emotionally, induces energy flow, enables open-mindedness, lighten guilt feeling. Spiritually, beneficial for females to re-attune femininity, originates liveliness, brings faith, confidence, and patience. It is believed that Larimar has metaphysical powers that help in healing emotional and spiritual problems. Larimar jewelry at Gemexi.